You tell her.
I'm not.
You're a bad boy.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited. What?
Look at it.
Going from side to side.
Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely not. No, you stop talking about it.
I don't know who you think you are, but I'm not the one.
This is her screaming corner. What are you doing? No. No, I don't want to kiss kiss.